Welcome to Guitar Wednesdays, and today we're going to do Hero by Enrique Iglesias. Now, let's start.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. How would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can be
Okay, now let's go to the chords. We're only going to play 4 chords. That is G full, and then E minor 7, C add 9, and then D suspend 4. So I'm going to show you how to play them. They're very easy. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure, can you see that clearly? Yeah. Make sure the pinky is on the 3rd fret, string number 1. In case you've forgotten, string number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We start from down. So pinky, string 3rd fret. Remember, frets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down. So fret number 3, string number 1, put your pinky there, and then this next finger to it, finger number 4 or your ring finger, put it right on top to that, right on top of that. So these 2 strings, as you can see, and then this finger number 3, middle finger, bring it on the top string. So you have 3 strings on 1 fret. String number 2, finger number 2, sorry, finger number 3, and the pinky, all of them on the 1st fret, on the 3rd fret, sorry. And then this finger that was just remaining, finger number 1, bring it on string number 2. So that is G full according to the song. Now the next one is E minor 7. E minor 7 in this song. Now E minor 7 is supposed to be like that. E minor 7. Remember, these ones are remaining. So you just, finger number 2 remains where it was while you're playing G. Remember, you just move this finger under to the next string. But for now, since this song doesn't really require that string, the best thing, the easiest way to do is once you hold G, just remove this. It makes it way easy. So let's go to, starting from G full, and then E minor 7. You can just leave it hanging, or you can bring it just under finger number 2. It gives it a full one. And then the next one is C add 9. Now, you see where finger number 2 was? Now, we've just played G, and then we've gone to E minor 7. Now, C add 9, you exchange them. So, this finger goes 1 step down, 1 step down. This finger number 1 goes 1 step down, and finger number 2, remember the way it was on G, it also moves 1 step down there, right? You can see. But then now in the plucking, you start from number 5. I'll just come up here so that you see. When plucking, you don't start from here, you'll start from number 5. There, right? So remember the first one, G, you're plucking all of them from the top, and then when you're playing E minor 7, from the top still. But when playing C add 9, you exchange them. So this finger goes down, and this finger goes up to the 2nd string, to the 5th string, and then you pluck from where that you pluck from the top finger, this one. So string number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You pluck from string number 5. So let's do those 3 again. I'll try to pluck here so that you can see. So, or it's really hard to pluck from here, but anyway. So from the top, that is G, and G full, that is, and then you go to E minor 7, also from the top string. And then C add 9, remember to exchange them. But then you start plucking from the 5th string, not the top one here. And then the last one is D suspend 4. Now you see where this string was. Let me show you where this finger was. This finger, you move it down. Remember, these ones are not moving in all the chords. You moved it down from here to where it was to string number 3. String number 1, string number 1, string number 2, number 3 to string number 3. But this time you pluck from string number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You pluck from this string. There. So let's start from beginning. C, G, E minor 7. Those two you pluck from the top string. And then C add 9, pluck from string number 5. And then D suspend 4. So remember, this finger in D suspend 4, you just leave it hanging. And then you pluck from the 4th open string there. Now, the formula for plucking down here, can you see that? The formula for plucking down here is 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, right? Some people add a 3 here. They add the 3rd string. So, let's start from G. You can decide to add this 3, or you can just decide to ignore it and just go 6. However you want. So remember, your fingers are make sure your fingers are fastened down here so that it's clearer. Then and then basically that's everything you need for this song. So G full, and then so just show you one more time. So remember, these two fingers, they don't move. These two fingers, they don't move at all. They remain there. So G, and then E minor 7, and then C add 9, and then last one D, that one D suspend 4, sorry. That's all you need, even in the chorus. Now the chorus, ta 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 ta, you're just doing I can be your G, and then D suspend 4. You just change the pattern, D suspend 4, and then C add 9. You play that 4 times. Ta 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 ta. 3, 4, G, D add 9, then C suspend 7. 3, 4, then G, and then D suspend 4, and then C add 9, and the song just repeats. So there you go. Make sure you practice, and then you can go entertain someone and just shock them at how well you are in the guitar. And I'll see you next lesson. Keep practicing. Teacher Moses out.